Hi, welcome to another XLSTAT video tutorial. Today I would like to show you how to easily switch from stacked to unstacked data formats and vice versa. Suppose you have obtained results from an experiment for 3 different groups. Columns from A to C represent the experiment's results per group. One analysis you could run is a one-way ANOVA to examine whether the group effect on the measured variable is significant. In this case, the data has to be transformed so that an ANOVA can be applied with XLSTAT. Go to the Preparing Data menu and select Data Management. In this dialog box, you have several options. Choose Stack and then select the data from columns A, B, and C. You can also select a range of non-adjacent columns. In this case, simply press the Control key of your keyboard while selecting the data with the mouse. The first row represents the group's names, so activate the option Variable Labels. To display the output on the same sheet, select any cell on the existing one, like this one. To generate the output, click OK. We have now the stacked data in columns F and G. So instead of having 3 columns, we have now a data set with 2 columns, the first one indicating the group and the second one the measurements. Now, to unstack data, like this one, simply open the same dialog box, but choose Unstack this time. You need to enter 2 data information: the measurements and the group variable. Click OK. And here we have the unstacked data back. You can also display the results in a separate worksheet if you wish. Thanks for watching.